Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and I just want to start this video off by saying welcome and congratulations for getting started with Profits Passport. You've taken an action step that very few people are willing to take, and for that I want to start off by congratulating you on, of course, getting started. And of course, with this video right here, this is day number 1 in the high ticket affiliate marketing training series right here. So that is this video that you're currently on. And what we're going to be doing in this video is I'm pretty much going to be showing you how to get your system set up, exactly what to do, and really how to get everything all up and running so that when you, of course, go out and you start promoting your link, you could, of course, get qualified to earn those high ticket commissions from the multiple income streams that you see right here, right? So I'll go over all of that. I will also go over like how to set up your payment methods, how to get paid from the different income streams, and then of course I'll talk about mindset as well, right? You know, how to really go into this with the right expectations, and of course how to get the most out of this training here in general, right? So first and foremost, what I want to mention two things real quick. If by chance, if you have not seen this first video right here and you're watching this video but you don't really know exactly what this is, you aren't really signed up to this but you just happen to be watching this video, what I recommend is starting here first, day 0, watching this video, and of course then decide, you know, to check out Profits Passport right there. There's a link either below this video where you could go straight to Profits Passport if you want, or what I recommend is watch day 0, see what it's all about, and then of course jump right in, follow the steps by going down below in the description, and of course once you have your system set up and you have completed day 0, you can come back to this video, right? Second thing I want to mention, make sure you subscribe so that you're notified of all future videos on this channel and in the series. And the third thing that I want to mention is if you see any option to save this playlist, you could either click the add all to and then I'll save it to your YouTube account, or press Control D on your keyboard if you're on a desktop, and then that'll just save the playlist. It'll just bookmark this entire playlist right here, and you can very easily just come back to this any point. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and let's dive right into the agenda, right? So first and foremost, let's get everything set up. So what you want to do, if you haven't done so already, is you want to watch the video that is right here. It's about 15 minutes, shows you how to get everything set up, you know, talks about how to get all your income streams set up and really what to do. The first income stream right here is really the most important. If you want, you could just set up just this one income stream alone and just skip the rest for now. If you just want to do just the first one, you don't have to get every income stream right away at the highest level. Just start with where you could afford. Ideally, if you were able to come in to income stream number 1 at the highest level, that is a very good starting point. So if you haven't upgraded your first income stream, which is Easy 1-Up, you'll want to go right here, get signed up, and then come in at the very highest level that you can. I'm not going to go too deep into what levels are available and where I recommend getting started, because that's what this video right here is for. This shows you exactly where to get started, so simply watch that. And of course, if you also watch the webinar, then you pretty much know what is recommended. So go there, get your account set up, and once you do that, all you have to do from there is just take your username, whatever username that you made with Easy 1-Up, and then you'll want to put it in this field right here. You do that, in my case it's Mr. Jumpstart. You then click on Save and Update, and then you're good to go. So you have the first income stream activated, and then whenever you promote your link, anyone, of course, signs up to income stream number 1, E1U Life, then you, of course, earn the commission depending on what level that they decide to come in at. So same goes with income stream number 2. You could check this one out right here. This has 3 different levels in it, looks like. Starter level at 50, elite level at 150, or the pro level at 300. So this is like a good mid-ticket program, and this has training on like free traffic if you're interested in learning that. In my case, I'm pretty new to Infinity Processing System. Haven't really gone through it myself. I've just signed up to this recently through the system, but I have heard good things about it. So once you, of course, to get your link for this is a little bit different than the other income streams. With streams 1, 3, and 4, you just put in your username with the account that you've made, and you just click Save. With this one, you actually have to put in your website link. And from my understanding, the way that you get this is when you, of course, get signed up, you will have the the your login info, login link like sent to you directly. So you want to get logged in. And then to get your website link, it's a little bit weird on how they do it. You go to step 3 on the main page where it says order your website. Looks like there is a $25 like promotion fee if you of course want to get your affiliate link, which is a little bit weird in my opinion. I think if you bought the program, you should just have a link right away, but nonetheless, I guess, you know, 25 bucks isn't too much, so you just pay that website fee there, and then you send a email to this Gmail right here, and you just answer these questions, and then of course they will send you a website link, and then once you do that, you just put it in the field right here, click on save, and then anytime someone goes through here, they buy one of the levels, you of course get the commission. And same goes with this one. You sign up to whatever level that you want, put in your username, click save, and then same goes with income stream number 4, which is Traffic Authority. And if you have used Traffic Authority in the past, or if you've used any of these other income streams, this is one thing that I want to mention. You do not have to sign up to it again. So if you've already paid for one of these before, if you're a part of the old Profits Passport, or if you were part of Multiple Income Funnel and you were signed up to Traffic Authority, or if you joined any of these individually, you don't have to pay again. You just take your username, put it right here in the field, click save, and you're good to go. So Traffic Authority is one that I know a lot of people have used. So if you've used that, again, put your username in there, click save, and then you can start earning on that income stream. So once you have all those set up, then what I want to show you here is this link underneath the video. This is your promo link. So whenever you go to this link right here, this will take you over to your own capture page. When you promote this and people opt in, they get tied to you, and then they, of course, you get commission whenever they buy anything from when they go through that link. And then to create a tracking link, you just take out this part here that says replace me, and you could just put in anything. So if you are promoting on YouTube, for example, if you're making YouTube videos, boom, there you go. And then anytime someone goes through that link where it has the YouTube tag, it'll show it in your referrals area. And just to give you an idea, if I go to referrals right here, you see some of these referrals came from YouTube and other ones came from TikTok. So that just goes to show that, you know, that's of course working right there. And then the next thing that I want to go over is how to set up your payment method inside of specifically the first income stream, which is Easy One Up, right? So once you've got your account set up and you're of course signed in, all you'll want to do here is go to the tab that says My Account, and then click on My Payment Options. And it looks like it signed me up because I was inactive on here for a bit. But yeah, once you get to this page right here, there's actually the main payment method that they use is Stripe, which I think is very convenient. I like using Stripe. Stripe is free to use, doesn't cost you anything. So if you have a Stripe account, you could very easily integrate it in here. And it's way easier now than it was before with the old Easy One Up back office. I really like what they did here. Basically, all you do is you just click, connect My Stripe if you have an account already. And it's literally just, I think you just log into your Stripe account through that link, and then it just automatically integrates it in there. So if you don't have one, you just click here to create one, and then you could do that. If for whatever reason you cannot sign up to Stripe, if depending on the location you're at, click on right here to set up for an alternate payment option, and then it'll give you some option right there. But other than that, Stripe should be ideally the one that you would most likely use. And then once you have that set up, then of course you could start receiving your commissions from that. So anyways, with all that being out of the way, what I want to specifically get into with this video is the mindset part of this video, right? So the thing that I really want to go over in this video is what will determine your results with this system and with this training right here. So one quote that I want to share with you real quick in this online marketing, make money online space, and you may have heard this before, is systems work, people fail. The reason why I want to put this out there, not to discourage you in any way or to make you think of like, oh, this might not work for me, but what I want to really put out there is your results with this and with this training series will depend on what you're willing to put into it, right? So if you follow exactly what I show you in these training videos, you could definitely do very well. And proof of that is, in my case, I've done, a couple thousand with Easy One Up, and I've also used this training to promote a different system that I was a part of as well. So you could see this is all doing exactly what I've done in these videos right here. What I specifically want to go over is the different types of people that will ideally go through my training and, pretty much follow these videos, right? So there's two main types of people that when they join something, will determine, what type of results they get. So we've got like, person number one over here. And like, this is the second group of people. These stick figure drawings are kind of cheap, right? But person A and person B. So, this group of people, right, will join and they will go on and get some pretty phenomenal results, right? So they will consistently have $2,000 days. They will earn a full-time income. They'll earn, high-ticket commissions from the other income streams as well. And using what I show, they will be able to, get some pretty phenomenal results with this. Well, person B, on the other hand, right, the other group of people might join this and they might get one $25 commission here and there, and not really too much to, to rave about, right? So the question is, what exactly is the difference between person A and person B? Why do some people join programs like these and get phenomenal results while other people end up, not getting any results and saying like, oh, I wasted all my money and time here, nothing works for me, scam, why is it that some people this works well and others it doesn't? Well, there's two main things that will determine your results with this. And of course, the first thing is your thoughts that you have regularly, right? Or I guess you could also put this into like mindset, right? So if you are constantly having negative thoughts, right? About, oh, all these people online, they're just trying to take my money. They're just trying to suck my bank account dry. They don't care about helping other people. They just care about getting others to their affiliate link and getting more commissions and getting more revenue, and then just leaving the person like, just behind and left in the dust, right? So thoughts like these, you might have experienced this before in other programs. Maybe you joined something else. Maybe you've been burned in the past. But when you continue to have thoughts like these, this will subconsciously sabotage you from getting the results that you want. Because number one, you're going to find more reasons to feel that you've been taken advantage of. And, because of that, because of thoughts like these, it is going to inspire you to take less action to prove that something doesn't work, right? So for that reason, you want to focus on, if you have any of these negative beliefs, any of these limiting beliefs about, this is only for specific people, only those that have joined in the beginning will make the money. You want to work on these thoughts, because if you don't, and you continue to have negative thoughts about like, oh, this doesn't work or something like that, then you're going to end up, taking very little action, and then you're going to end up quitting and then not getting the results that you're looking for, right? Whereas if you focus on filling up your mind with thoughts like the world's an abundant place, there's money everywhere, this training, is proven to work because this person on the video has shown me results, and the system's proven to work because there's tons of testimonials in the Facebook group and on the webinar that you watched. So by focusing more on evidence on why this will work, will inspire you to take more action, and it will also inspire you to get better results. And once you, of course, get that first $1,000 day, that first $2,000 day, then you're going to be pumped up, and then you're going to take even more action because you're going to be excited to really grow it further. And then it's going to be, you're going to get on this, fast track to, scaling your income, whereas, it'll have the exact opposite effect, this downward spiral, if you focus on negative thoughts. So this is something that I really want to go over with here. And the second thing is is this pen working? The second thing is something known as a DMO, or rather daily method of operation. So this right here, this is basically like one thing that I like to do, and I'll just kind of give you an idea, right? So I use an app called Todoist, and what this does is you basically just create a list of things that you want to get done throughout the day, right? And as you can see, I've kind of procrastinated on checking these boxes off, and I did do this earlier, so you'll have to get back on track with this. But one thing that I like to do is I like to create a list of things that I want to get done throughout the day, right? So just to give you an idea, right? If I go to my inbox, these are all things that I've had on my list for the past year, past 2 years, right? As you can see right here. So I do things like spend time on personal development, right? Setting up ads, meditate, right? This is one thing that I did for a little bit. Make TikTok videos, add pins to Pinterest, repurpose content on other platforms, right? So things like these, I like to fill up my day, with things that I want to get done throughout the day, right? And so doing this, although it sounds simple, is something that will help you stay on track with whatever it is that you're looking to get done, right? And so that's really something that will help keep you on track. And then, of course, you'll be able to measure your the progress that you're making on a daily basis, right? So by doing these two things, daily method of operation, and of course, also working on your mindset, will determine your results with this training overall. So with that being said, I feel like I've pretty much went over everything that I wanted to cover in this video. If you got value here, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. And if there's any questions that you have regarding setting things up that I maybe could have went over better, let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as I can. Other than that, go to the next video in here and I will show you how to set up a few more things. And after that, we will start getting into promoting your exact link. So with that being said, take care and see you in the next one.